Hi there. I'm the son of that creepy looking long-haired UPS guy that draws stuff on a whiteboard. But I'm not him. I'm his son. It's me right down there. Not him. You may be saying, son of a creepy UPS guy, why are you talking to me right now? I'm here to talk to you about wind power. You see, wind power is among my favorite of the powers because, one, it's always renewable and it's inexpensive. You see, places like Denmark obtain up to 20% of their power off of wind power. It's windy up there, I guess. And wind power's popularity is increasing about 30% a year. That's a lot of percents, you know what I'm saying. 30. Now you may be saying, creepy son of UPS guy, what's wind power? Well, let me show you by explaining what we have right now. Right now we use things like coal, oil, and gasoline to make power. Now the problem with these is none of them are renewable. Once we use them all, they're gone. So here's what they do. They take these things, like coal, oil, and gasoline, and they burn them. And that makes heat energy, which in turn we use to make steam, which blow on turbines to spin them, create mechanical energy. Now here's the thing, you get rid of the things like coal, oil, and gasoline, you don't need the steam, and the thing is you don't have anything to turn the turbine. That's where wind comes in. You put up a turbine, and the wind blows the turbine. You don't need to burn anything for steam or anything, and it's great for the environment. Because like I said, wind's renewable. You're never going to run out of wind. You may be saying, creepy son of UPS guy, how are scientists going to find optimum conditions for these wind turbines? Well, here's how they're going to do it. They're going to find them and put wind turbines there. Let's see. Let me talk to you about physics real quick. You take one of these propeller wings, and it's approximately 20 meters in length. It will have enough energy to create up to 1 megawatt of power. That's a lot of watts. It's one big megawatt of power, I guess. So here's the thing, going back over it, wind power is expensive. Saves you dollars. It's reusable. It's wind. And it's American.
So this here is going out to the Australian Academy of Science. Here y'all want to make a big old radio telescope down under. Well, I'm here to try and convince you otherwise. My name's Alan Stanford. I'm a businessman from Texas. And I want you to know that that big old radio telescope would be perfect here in Texas. I've done some research on the blueprints for the telescope, and I know you need a pretty good plot of land to set it on. Half of it will be in an area 5 kilometers by 5 kilometers, which by my calculations would be 25 square kilometers. I know the other half will be spread out over thousands of kilometers. And Texas has the perfect real estate for that type of thing. There's a whole lot of land here. Now I can't say for exact where we put this square kilometer array, because I really don't know how much a square kilometer is. My suggestion is that you get rid of that metric system down under and get on with the rest of the world. But I digress. Now, this square kilometer array, according to my research, would consist of thousands of small dish antennas, 10 meters in diameter, and thousands of flat panel antennas. Now those small dish antennas are supposed to receive the high frequency signals, and them flat panels receive the low frequency signals. Together they make one big old radio telescope. And that radio telescope covers the total area 1 square kilometer. See? You know my stuff. The total cost, y'all say, is going to be $2.9 billion. Now, if you bring this here square kilometer array to Texas, I'll double that area with the money out of my pocket. $2.9 billion? It's chump change to me. Y'all imagine that? 2 square kilometer array? People coming to see if any of them are little green bug-eyed extraterrestrials are sending messages to Earth. We make a fortune. Of course, there'd be some of that science there if you like. I know y'all are into that thing, being the Australian Academy of Science. You'll be able to look back in time billions of years ago when God made a big bang, and y'all will be able to see how our galaxies formed. Y'all be able to understand what makes up that dark energy that's accelerating the expansion of our universe. And y'all will be able to understand the origin of magnetic fields around stars and galaxies. And y'all will be able to test if that fella Einstein was right about gravity being a result of matter bending the space-time continuum. And maybe y'all will be able to communicate with those aliens that ended up in Roswell, New Mexico just a few decades ago. Well, me, I'm excited, and hope y'all are too. Just think, the square kilometer array, the 2 square kilometer array. All the people, all the Benjamins, all the science y'all could ever want. So let me know. My name's Alan Stanford, and hope y'all will take this into serious consideration. Thank you, and God bless America and Australia too.